I'm about to do my least favorite thing, which is going into a public store, in this case Starbucks, in full cosplay. Hey guys, what is up? I have already done this shoot with Geekstrong, but I didn't record an intro to this video because I was running late, so I'm just recording it now and we can pretend like I haven't done the shoot yet. But yeah, we decided to bring back Kim Possible. I haven't shot her in so long, and I finally have gloves because I didn't have gloves before. If you look back at my previous Kim Possible shoots, I didn't have any gloves, but when I worked at the Halloween store, I remembered to get some with my employee discount. So yay, we're official now. So yeah, here's the footage of the shoot, and then tonight we're gonna go ahead and shoot the spicier version for Patreon, and then eventually they'll be on OnlyFans. But yeah, they're gonna be on Patreon next month, so that'll be really fun. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste your time with like a long intro. Here you go, enjoy the footage of our shoot. It's been a while since I've been back in Kim Possible.
I don't cross my T's, I don't dot my I's, I won't say pretty please, or speak in little white lies.
Impossible. You gonna sing the song?
Call me and beat me if you want to reach me.
Like I'm better off on this side because of the light.
Whenever you need me, baby, call me, beat me if you want to reach me.
Of course. Gonna do some impossible, creating impossible things. She's gonna do a series of 10 things that are deemed impossible by most humans. And thus...
Well, it's the first I've heard of it.
That is the poll on the YouTube poll. We need 10 suggestions for the next YouTube Kim Possible video. Give us 10 ideas that are impossible, and then she will perform them.
What if I just eat an Impossible burger?
Okay, yeah, that's one. I mean, that's kind of just a play on words, but that works.
I've got a rebel soul, I've got a rebel soul.
The locals are coming this way, maybe. I don't know, let's go. Hi.
Casual. The UPS guy was like walking up to my apartment, like as I was leaving, I was just like, hey.
That would have been funny if you would have been like, hey, Kimmy.
No one gets it. Like last year, I was wearing a skirt to the shoot, or I was going to a con or something. And I had to make a stop, and there were Girl Scouts selling Girl Scout cookies, like right in front of the Rite Aid. And I was like, oh, that's Girl Scout cookies, and they didn't know who Kim Possible was.
Okay, now that's, I get the UPS guy. It'd be a little weird if the FedEx or UPS guy was like, hey, Kimmy. But I think it's, yeah, like.
You should know who Kim Possible is. And then, oh my gosh, I bought 5 boxes of Girl Scouts, and as I was leaving, one of them turns to me and goes, wow, is she rich? I just wanted all the different types of cookies.
No, I'm normal, and when you're an adult, you'll do the same thing.
Oh, that's too late now, I got my leg over. Sometimes I can't like move my legs all the way with this belt on, so I'm just like, she's an old person. Basically, I'm an old person. One of my like top reels, we shot right here, and then they took it down because I used the word naked in the caption, but the context was the word naked mole rat. And they were like, that violates our community guidelines.
And I ain't no price for admiring eyes. I've got a rebel soul. 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 Just get down.
things that we do to climb and get where we need to get for these shoots, for these shots.
But I got new boots, so I'm not wearing heels anymore.
You were wearing heels before with this?
Yeah. Either way, unfortunately, I wore through the bottoms.
I can be good when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be good when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be a good girl when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be good, I can be good, but no, I got a rebel soul. Hey, I've got a rebel soul. I got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul.
That fence. That fence over there.
Weird engagement photo, something like right in front of us. I'm like, watch them get pictures back, and like,
Why is Kim Possible in the background?
zoom in, and I'm back there like.
Hey, down with it, my rebel soul. Just get down with it, my rebel soul. Just get down with it, my rebel soul. Just get down with it, down with it, down with it. Just get down with it, down with it, down with it. Just get down with it, down with it, down with it, down with it, down. I've got a rebel soul.
Yeah, that was our shoot. Obviously, it's after now. Quickly stopped at Starbucks just to grab a snack because I'm so hungry. And then I'm gonna go back and shoot the spicier versions for Patreon. So be sure to be a patron so you get to see those next month. And that will be a separate vlog again that will go on to my Patreon. So be sure to check that out as well. If you like this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want to see more of me, you can follow me on my other social medias. I've got them all. I've got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, literally all of them. Also, don't forget Patreon and OnlyFans. Links to everything are in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have an amazing week, and I'll see you next week. Bye!
It's funny because he's got that thing on his head and he's in public. Like, someone could literally just go up to him and hit him in the back of the head. What are you doing?
Someone like us, no.
Someone, not us though. We wouldn't do.
Definitely not us.
Maybe.